Hello, this is a demonstration of easily, quickly and perfectly removing a capacitor. It is made easy by the use of a unique instrument which has been named a capacitor replacer. Come, now watch it practically. Switch on the equipment. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes so that it heats up. Wow, now it's ready. Apply liquid flux on the soldering side of the capacitor to be removed. Now, place the lead part of the capacitor on the cap of this instrument. The capacitor will be removed in a jiffy.
Wow.
Now let's replace it. Wow. The base of the instrument is made of heat insulating material which ensures safety.